Hello everyone, how to remove read only from Excel. So let's start. So here you can see this file is a read only. On the top of this Excel file showing the Excel file name student data with this read only status also showing. It means in this file you can't save your data. So I show you here. I just edit these marks, okay, and 92 and press the enter. Then use the control S to save the data. And here you can see the error showing. We can't save student data file because the file is read only. Just close this, click on OK, go back and just close this file to remove the read only. And just close this, click on the don't save. And here you can see this is a student data file. To remove read only, simply right click on the file and click on the properties, the last option. And here in student data properties in general tab and attributes, the last option, the read only option is here showing. Just untick this checkbox and then click on the apply first, then click on the OK, and that's it. Your read only is removed. Double click on the Excel file and here you see your Excel file is open. Now you can see top of your Excel file with the file name, the read only status not showing. It's removed. Now I just edit this data. So I just edit here the marks 92 and press the enter. Then use the control S to save data. Here the error not showing. The data is saved. That's it. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.